Hello everyone, welcome to this channel that is English with RM. In this lesson, I am going to tell you a very interesting moral story. Okay, the name of the story is Climbing the Mountain of Success. Okay, means this story is a tale of perseverance and determination. Okay, in this story, you will know what is the importance of perseverance and determination. Okay, so let's begin with the story. Okay, once upon a time. Once upon a time means long ago, long ago, many years ago. Okay, there was a young man named Jack who dreamed of achieving great success. The hero, the hero or protagonist of this story is Jack. Jack is the hero or protagonist of this story. Who is the hero or protagonist of this story? Jack. Right. Jack had a big dream in his life. He dreamed of achieving great success. He wanted to do something great in his life. Okay. He had a clear vision of what he wanted to accomplish. His vision was very clear what he wanted to do in his life. Okay, but the road to success was long and difficult. Right, the road to success was very difficult and long. Right, if we want to, if we want to achieve something in our life, right, it is not easy. However, Jack was determined to climb the mountain of success no matter how steep it was. Jack was very determined and confident man. He wanted to climb the mountain of success at any cost, no matter how steep it was, no matter what was the height of the mountain of success. Right? It doesn't matter for him. Okay? So let's go ahead. Jack began his journey with enthusiasm and optimism. The journey started. The journey started, and Jack was very confident, very excited, and very hopeful. However, as he climbed higher, he faced many obstacles and challenges. When Jack climbed higher, he faced many obstacles and challenges. Right? He had to face a lot of problems, many challenges, and many obstacles. Right? There were times when he felt like giving up. There were times when he felt that he can't do. He can't do it. Right? But he reminded himself of his goal and kept pushing forward. He was very determined and confident man. He wanted to do something great in his life. So he reminded himself of his goal and started going ahead again. Okay. Along the way, Jack met several people who tried to discourage him. On the way, there were many people who tried to discourage Jack. Right? They told him that he would never make it to the top and that he should give up his dreams. People told him that, Jack, what are you doing? Stop it immediately. You can't do it. You are very foolish man. Stop it. However, Jack refused to listen to their negativity. Jack did not accept their negativity because he was very determined and confident man. He wanted to do something great in his life and continued to climb higher. He didn't stop his task. Right? What happened next? Let's see. Finally, after months of hard work and perseverance, Jack reached the top of the mountain. Ultimately, Jack reached the top. Jack reached the top. He had started from the bottom. He had started from the bottom and ultimately he reached the top. Right? Top of the mountain of success. Okay? He looked out at the breathtaking view and felt an overwhelming sense of accomplishment. He was very happy, very excited. The scene was very beautiful and attractive. He he felt that he had gotten something great. He had gotten an achievement. All of the obstacles and challenges he had faced had been worth it. All the challenges and obstacles and problems were nothing before that achievement. Okay, he had got he had gotten finally. Okay, moral of the story. What is the moral of this story? Let's see. The moral of the story is that success requires perseverance and determination. It is clear that without perseverance and determination, we can't do anything. We can't get success in our life. If we want to get something great in our life, we have to be confident and determined. Even when faced with obstacles and challenges, we must remain focused on our goals and keep pushing forward. Okay, so the moral of this story is that if we want to do something great, right, we have to be focused on our goal, right? We should focus on our destination, right? We have to start from the bottom, right? We have to start from the bottom and we have to reach the top. We have to reach the top, right? And we can do this with confidence and determination, right? Okay, there are some questions for you. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Who is the protagonist of the story? Jack. Jack is the hero or protagonist of this story. Okay, I am giving you just short answers. You have to write in detail. Okay, what is Jack's goal? Jack's goal is to climb the mountain of success. Okay, number 3. What obstacles and challenges does Jack face on his journey? Jack faced uh, many obstacles and challenges on his journey. Many people tried to discourage him. The steepness of the mountain of success was difficult and high. Does Jack give up on his dreams when faced with difficulties? No, he didn't give up on his dreams when faced with difficulties. Number 5. What does Jack feel when he reaches the top of the mountain? When he reached the top of the mountain of success, he was very excited, very happy. He felt that he had gotten something great, some great achievement. Right? He was very excited, very content. So ultimately, we have reached the end of this story. Okay, that's all in this lesson. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.